Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to block unknown numbers on Samsung. We start by opening the phone app. Next, click on the three upper points and then on Settings. Here we will enter the block numbers option. Finally, here we will be able to activate the option to block calls from unknown numbers on our phone. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.